to Brother Edwin Sheppard because he too is on that path, and he has an organization called BICEP, which I would like him to talk about, Blindfolded International Student and Cultural Exchange Program. But he has an interesting background because he's worked in film, and he actually is working on a documentary now called Blindfolded, How They Hid My Heritage From Me. And it chronicles his travels to South Africa and Botswana, where he has this dialogue with both Black Americans and Africans on the perception of all these years of negative, thoughts around Africa, and just that story that he is pushing through to teach us otherwise. So I want him to tell us more about his connection with the continent, the work that he's doing, and tell us a little bit about some governmental. I haven't been to Botswana, and it hasn't been a country that I've been like, I want to go to Botswana. I've never thought that, right? So tell me a little bit about what I say. I want to go to South Africa, I want to go to Senegal, Gambia. Never thought Botswana. So tell us a little bit about what's going on there and what opportunities are for Africans in the diaspora. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
I'm a little nervous here, so excuse me. I've spoken in front of you, so it's really not that bad. As a matter of fact, the film is already done, and we've already premiered it in February. Yeah, we premiered it February this year to 300 people in Miami, and premiered it in Atlanta to 200, and premiered it in Ghana in June to a little under 100 people. So I'm actually putting the film in rotation in the film festival. I will submit it in the Pan-African Film Festival in Los Angeles in February next year. So basically, I'm gonna try to speak real fast because I don't know 1 minute up. So to tell the story real quick, because all of us have a story, so hearing these stories are real wonderful. And how everything started is basically I was just trying to turn up for my 45th birthday last year. My mother's from Haiti, and I made plans to travel to Haiti to celebrate my birthday. And I love to travel, like everyone else in this room probably does. And I just started, just going through the laptop and just looking up flights. And I saw a flight to Johannesburg for $882 round trip. And I was like, this is a decent trip, I can afford it. So, I waited 2 weeks because I had bills to take care of like, everyone else. And I said to myself, if the ticket is the same price in 2 weeks, I'm gonna go ahead and book it. And when 2 weeks came, 882, the ticket price didn't budge. So I went ahead, booked the ticket. As I was booking the ticket, my hands started trembling. Like I put my credit card, and before I hit submit, I was literally like trembling and hit enter, and when I hit enter, it just hit me like, wow, I'm going to Africa. I couldn't believe it. And a lot of people, a lot of us right now are going to Ghana, they're traveling to Ghana for the year return. And I don't know, it's just something, my spirit just said, look at South Africa for some reason. And I had a friend of mine reach out to me on Facebook who's from Botswana and said, you need to visit Botswana. And I've never heard of Botswana before, prior to that. And when I booked my ticket, I said, I'm gonna document my picture, my trip with pictures. And my mentor encouraged me to film it. And I told him I didn't want to film it. I said, I just want to take pictures, have a good time. And he said, I really think you should film it. And I said, I don't know anything about film. So I started to do some research. All the equipment was expensive. I told him I don't want to film it. He kept telling me, you need to film it. People follow you, they know, they believe in you. And so I said, it's going to be $3,000 to buy this equipment. I don't want to ask anyone for $3,000. He said, well, don't ask anyone for $3,000, ask them for $5,000. And I said, I don't want to do it. He kept pushing me to raise the money. So I put a GoFundMe for $5,000. I put all the equipment, and I was able to raise $7,000. And so I went ahead, bought the equipment, and everybody that I met between South Africa and Botswana, I've networked with them on Facebook. I didn't know anyone previous to traveling there. Everything was just months and months of just networking and reaching out to people and just saying, hey, I'm coming to your country, can you show me around? I was just kind of, just being kind of a nomad and just reaching out, and you were like, who's this Black American guy just reaching out? But they started to see the movement, and it just started to grow. So when I got into Johannesburg and I set an itinerary, I was able to film. I filmed two days in the States, and then I filmed 3 days in Joburg and filmed in Botswana, and then came home after being there I was there for 21 days, and then came back home and edited, and after editing, process was a nightmare. We premiered it to almost a sold-out house in Miami, to about 300 people. And so from there, I didn't know how the film would come out. And there's a few people that seen here that actually were at the premiere, which is nice to see. But I didn't know how it was going to turn out. I had no idea. And it was an amazing turnout. It was even a more amazing film just to see the dialogue between what they call us Black Americans. They don't consider us, unfortunately, African Americans. They refer to us as Black Americans. And to hear the dialogue between us and them was very, very powerful and very eye-opening. And what was the most powerful of the film was the students, because I filmed at my high school alma mater, Miami Central Senior High, and I was able to film in Botswana at Lebanon Senior Secondary. And to hear the dialogue that they have on each other and the U.S. was very, very powerful and very disheartening at the same time. And what made it really intriguing about the film is when I showed the film here in the States, a lot of people didn't like, there were a group of young ladies from South Africa, they didn't like the young ladies because they didn't like the dialogue that was being said, but they were speaking their truth. And when I took the film to Ghana, and they watched the students at Miami Central, they didn't like the students at Miami Central because they felt that the students were ignorant. So to see the reaction of what our perception here in the U.S., and to see a perception of how people feel in Africa, it was really mind-blowing, and that's what made me realize how important the film was. And we were just toying around with the idea of an exchange between both schools, and I just said, hey, you know what, let's give it a try and see if we can pull it off. And something like a student exchange takes 2 years to put together because you have to go through government. But my sister calls me crazy because she said, you're crazy. She said, anyone that's going to be crazy enough to do something like this is going to be you. And so I just left from Botswana in August, and everything was going well. We was getting all the paperwork and whatnot. And like the brother over here said, they move a little differently, man. I'm a hustler, so I'm grinding. I say, hey, we got to get this done. We have deadlines. You have to go to the embassy and try to get things. And they say, oh yeah, we're gonna take care of it. So I fly back home. They miss the appointment. They missed the appointment twice. So the original students that were supposed to come to South Florida can't come anymore because they graduated. Right. Because the adults missed the deadline. And for them, I was heartbroken because they're in the film, they earned it, and for them they were like, oh, they're just a part of society now. We're going to bring other students. And I made a promise to those students that I was going to bring them down. And unfortunately, because of the way things move, that won't happen. But on a good note, as of Tuesday, November 12th, I was able to purchase tickets for 14 people, 10 students, for chaperones. Come down to South Florida. It'll be the first time in the United States of America ever. No one has touched foot on U.S. soil. And they will arrive in South Florida on November 11, 2020. I'm still collecting funds. It is a nightmare to ask people for money, but I believe in a higher ground, and I was able to raise $12,000 in 3 days. people that's in here that see me, and that's all on Facebook. I did an old school Jerry Lewis. Y'all remember the Jerry Lewis thing? So I went Facebook Live, and I invited some friends to come over, and we were on Facebook Live, and we just asked for money, we asked for donations, and through those donations, I call it the Village Exchange-a-thon. That's what I call it. Because of that, we were able to raise a total of $15,000. So something like this costs a lot of money. It's $100,000 between both schools. So the school from Botswana will be coming in January, and the school from Miami Central will travel to Botswana in January 2020.
Thank you so much.